Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sixth Sister Always Miss Me, chapter 21. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Lilian and Wen Zhao. Two of them went out after the party. Zhao Li, please send Special Assistant Shang home safely and send a photo to General Su to let him know that he is safe. Please Su, just follow me. Please, you're drunk and driving is against the law. If you drive unsafely, your loved ones will shed tears. I know, there's a designated driver. Right now, it was Julian who's speaking. After sending her home, car finally left the place. Well, the two of them still there, standing in the middle of the night. Wen Zhao and Yulian. Suddenly, Yulian, when she looked back, she's seeing Wen Zhao. It seems that there's something bothering to her. Right now, she looks really serious. On the other hand, it was Yulian. It seems that she was imagining something. Well, two of them are in a magical place and they're sitting there for a while. What a good imagination they have. Well, probably it was Julian right now. I must be drunk again. Why it sits all I can see is you and Joe's figure. Well, definitely. She really feels for her, but she was really denying it. Although Wen Zhao, are you feeling bad? I called for a designated driver. You want to go for a walk with me? Julian said to Wen Zhao. Well, probably. She really missed the two of them walking together on the street. Walk, the last time my sister asked me out was before I went abroad. Now, Wen Zhao, she remember everything. Before, the two of them are really close to each other. Wen Zhao, sister, aren't we going home for New Year's Eve this year? She remember what happened the past. It was Julian who's asking her to walk for a while. Back then, Julian stopping her and said, wait here. So, is there something special that's going to happen? It seems that Julian, she was plotting something. Well, let's wait and see. It turns out it was a fireworks display. 12 o'clock in the evening, a lot of fireworks off in the air. Well, they really look good. On the other hand, it was Wen Zhao, who seems to be surprised. May you be happy and prosperous. A New Year's coat. Well, definitely. Julian's really loved her before, but right now, of course, her thing changes. And Julian, she was calling Wen Zhao, Happy New Year. Back then, it was Wen Zhao. She's been serious at the time, looking on the sky. And it was Julian who's really happy. Okay, let's go for a walk together, Julian said to her. Now, she was holding her hand. The two of them are walking. Late night. The moon, it's looked really amazing. It was really beautiful at night. Well, finally, the two of them have time to each other. Well, it was really late night, and they're walking on the street. It seems that there's a lot of person also. I heard from Special Assistant Sang that you are often get hospitalized when you are abroad. Julian is asking Wen Zhao. During the year I was abroad, I went into the operating room quite often and rarely left the hospital. Is the surgery painful? Julian is asking Wen Zhao. She looks really serious. It's not pain, it's more on fear. I was afraid that if I closed my eyes, I wouldn't be able to wake up again. Well, that was really bad. Feeling of having fear. It was really bad for her on that time. The doctor said that my condition has reached the middle stage and was incurable. I was afraid I would never see my sister again. Julian said to her, well, definitely, she was really terrified back then. So I secretly hid my illness and spent every day indulging myself in my sister's present. Sister, I'm fine. Wen Zhao said to her at the time. Well, probably right now, Wen Zhao, she was really worried about her. Found a hospital abroad that can treat your disease, but the success rate of operation is very low. Back then, do you want to try it? Well, definitely, she really try it. But can I hide it from my sister? Now, remembering, it was good. Definitely. Wen Zhao did the right thing before. Julian said to her, but these things have passed, so in future, don't let your sister worry again. Of course, since a lot of things happened, now she was hiding her feelings, right? Don't worry, my sister, the operation was successful. The follow-up treatment went well. I'm getting better. Wen Zhao explaining to Yulian about the condition of herself. If I hadn't been scolded by Shangda tonight, I may still be immersed in my own world and ignore Wen Zhao. But right now, Wen Zhao, she was calling her. Probably, Wen Zhao, she really wants to rely on Yulian. Wen Zhao said to her, what I say is too boring. Yulian said to her, it's not too boring. Oh, look at them, finally, they're already calmed down. Especially Wen Zhao. That time, you can tell me more about your story later, and I will listen, Yulian said to Wen Zhao. Yulian, she was thinking about her. What happened to my sister? She seems to be heartbroken. Okay, I will listen to my sister, Wen Zhao. She seems to be excited. Well, let's see. Let's go. Forget it. No matter what my sisters think, as long as she has me in her heart, that's enough. Wen Zhao said to herself, well, finally, the feelings are being heightened. Also, they're being considered by each other. So Wen Zhao, your hands are too cold. Well, definitely. It's the indication that the person is sick. But right now, Wen Zhao said, yeah. Definitely, she really wanted to be nicer to Yulian. Look at her. It was really pure happiness. Two of them are smiling, probably because the misunderstanding is already solved. Finally, they can talk about it. Can't you walk anymore? Still having a headache, I asked you to not to drink with them. Now, she's been scolded by Yulian. And Zhao, she seems to be down and said to her, sister, I'm so tired. She was so tired. Easy. Well, let's see. Since Yulian is really concerned about her, because she feels so cold, Yulian said to her, I will protect you. Well, this is really the best things happen. Especially the two of them are being happy. Hope to stand shoulder to shoulder with you one day. It was Wen Zhao's dream. On the other hand, since the two of them are hugging each other, someone took a photo of it. What's gonna happen next? I'm having a gossip like this. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.